So congratulations to the third place winner. And this sales report was about a car retailer and it was designed for executive management. Now, when it comes to the jury and community voting, some of the things that we enjoyed are unified navigational experience. So for example, if I switch between different pages, you can see that the main elements never change. So I still have my KPIs here at the top. I can switch the pages on the left side. I can clear filters here at the bottom left. So it's just easy, simple, and intuitive for the user to understand what exactly is happening here. Now, a few other things that we loved is the ability to switch to a forecast analysis visual. Use different filters right here on the page level to apply additional dimensions to filtered results by. And also the fact that this report covers something that none other covered, and it's the employee performance analysis when it comes to client satisfaction, looking at client interactions, negotiations, visits, and these sort of things. And for me personally, what I liked is the dynamic titles right here at the top line. And what I mean by it is, for example, if I select Kate, you can see that this is being passed as a value. If I filter out Europe, let's say Ukraine, all these filters are being applied right here at the top. So it's easy for the user to understand what exactly has he filtered out. Other than that, possible improvements could be, for example, to make sure that all button visual styles sit in well within the design. Also making sure that the same data has the same color in all the pages, so there is no unnecessary confusion. And last would be in the employee performance page where additional dimensions could be added. So congratulations to the third place winner.